Welcome back to RsN Hospitality. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of hotels. Whether you're a hospitality student, a job seeker, or just curious about how hotels operate, this video is for you. Let's get started. A hotel is an establishment that provides accommodation, meals, and other services for travelers and paying guests. Typically, hotels offer short-term lodging and a variety of additional services such as restaurants, laundry, swimming pools, and childcare. Many hotels also have conference facilities and meeting rooms, making them ideal for conventions, functions, and meetings. Hotels operate 24/7, and the quality of service, along with amenities like rooms, food, and beverages, significantly influences guest satisfaction. Now let's explore the key departments in a hotel and their roles. First up, we have the kitchen. The kitchen ensures the hygienic and timely delivery of food as per guest orders. A well-coordinated kitchen is crucial for maintaining high standards of food quality and service. Next, the front office. This department manages guest information, VIP in-house details, room reports, billing, and types of guest plans. The front office acts as the first point of contact for guests, setting the tone for their stay. The kitchen's stewarding department is responsible for cleaning, polishing, and inventory of all crockery, cutlery, and glassware used in service. They ensure that all dining equipment is spotless and ready for use. The purchase department handles the requisition of all condiments, service kits, and necessary stationaries. They maintain a steady supply of essential items for smooth operations. The housekeeping department manages the placement of VIP amenities, exchange of soiled linen, and cleaning of all outlets. They keep the hotel clean and comfortable for guests. The engineering and maintenance department takes care of the repair and maintenance of electrical equipment, air conditioning, water supply, and furniture. They ensure that all facilities are in good working order. The accounts department handles billing discrepancies, sales summaries, city ledgers, and cash management. They manage the financial aspects of the hotel. The Human Resources Department is responsible for hiring, firing, staff appraisals, procurement, development, and training. They ensure that the hotel is staffed with well-trained and motivated employees. Finally, the Sales and Marketing Department manages banquet reservations, food and beverage promotions, and more. They drive revenue through effective marketing and sales strategies. By highlighting the roles and importance of each department, we can see how hotels operate and the critical role of teamwork in delivering exceptional guest experiences. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RsN Hospitality for more insights into the hospitality industry. See you next time.